Understanding credit card login, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase credit card login. This is a common term in the digital age, especially if you use a credit card. Understanding this phrase will help you navigate online banking and shopping more effectively. So, let's dive in. Credit card login is a compound noun made up of two parts: credit card and login. Let's break them down. Credit card, a plastic card issued by a bank or financial institution. It allows the holder to borrow funds to pay for goods and services, with the agreement to pay back the borrowed money, plus any agreed upon charges. Login. This refers to the process of gaining access to a computer system or website. It usually requires entering a username and a password. When combined, credit card login refers to the process of entering your credentials to access your credit card account online. Understanding credit card login is crucial for several reasons. 1. Security. It protects your financial information from unauthorized access. 2. Convenience. It allows you to manage your credit card account, check balances, make payments, and view transaction history from anywhere. 3. Control. Regular login helps you keep track of your spending and notice any fraudulent activities quickly. Here are some example sentences. I need to complete my credit card login to check my statement. If you have forgotten your credit card login details, you can reset them online. Always ensure your credit card login is secure to prevent identity theft. Here are some safety tips. 1. Keep your login details private. Never share your username or password with anyone. 2. Use strong passwords. Combine letters, numbers, and symbols to create a strong password. 3. Log out after use. Always log out of your credit card account, especially when using a public computer. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and importance of credit card login. Remember, it's a key part of managing your finances securely and efficiently in the digital world. Stay safe and happy banking!